George Russell putting the pressure on Max Verstappen. Hamilton got the launch off the line, goes around the outside, he's in his teammate. Lewis Hamilton turns into George Russell and the Mercedes collide at the first turn.
Fight back. Leclerc made it very tough earlier. Oh no, he's got a puncture. They made contact, and Charles Leclerc's got a puncture caused by contact with his teammate Sebastian Vettel. Who's at fault there?
Didn't Seb swing a little bit left down the straight?
I have to say, that is racing.
Webber's left the door wide open.
Oh, dear, they've come together! Webber and Vettel have come together. That's Vettel going out, Webber going out. What was going on there?
That's Mark's got him covered and he comes through. Whose fault was that? They just seemed to merge towards each other, if anything, didn't they? A little.
To be pulling right there. He had the position, and there will be a lot of frustration in that Red Bull debrief after the race.
I'm giving that 100% Vettel's fault.
Is off the road. It's Max Verstappen with the lead, then it's Hamilton, and there's a crash at the back of the field in turn one. There's the lock up ahead. There's no idea where to place it. Gasly rejoining, and then these two. Gasly doesn't know his teammates there, and detonation for the Norris can't fight his way by. We go to turn one. No, he's ripped off the front wing. The McLarens collide. Lando Norris into the wall and out of the race.
The battle. Yeah, I think it is. It's a misjudgment. So he's hoping that space is going to open up, and it just doesn't. So he drives into the back of his teammate. He's done such good work to work the opportunity.
It's in Daniel Ricciardo, and then Sebastian Vettel ahead of Max Verstappen. Good stop from Carlos Sainz. He's ahead of Valtteri Bottas. Round turn 3 we go, and it's Nico Rosberg, and Hamilton's onto the grass, and Hamilton's had a massive crash, and he's crashed into his teammate. The two Mercedes come together as Hamilton tried to pass on the inside, and he can cover his hands over his eyes, and he won't want to see that again. Ocon, as we go down and right on board with Ocon towards Eau Rouge, and once again they have touched, and for the second time in this race the two Force Indians get too close together, and it is a puncture for Sergio Perez.
Broken front wing as well, debris all over the track.
Verstappen ahead of Sebastian Vettel into the wall, goes Esteban Ocon. Did he make contact with his teammate Sergio Perez? His teammates. You've got Grosjean on the left-hand side. Now they're going to wheel, the two Force Indians, and yes, they did touch. It's Baku from last year all over again, and it's Ocon who is squeezed into the wall by his teammate.
Get another drive-through penalty. What do you think?
Well, I think in that case, there's no question if you see a McLaren's touch. That is, well, Lewis Hamilton obviously with suspension damage, puncture. I'd be surprised if he makes it round to back into the
last chicane much faster. Jensen's making his way on what is the normal line, and it was the merest of touch, wasn't it?